Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing error 2063, it usually means there is a playback or authorization issue where Prime Video can't properly verify your session or load the content. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix error 2063 on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. First thing you have to know is that error 2063 is often account or playback related. It's common on smart TVs, browsers, and mobile, and usually quick to fix. Okay, so focus on account and app refresh. So first thing you can do is sign out and back in, like open Prime Video, sign out and sign in. It refreshes your session and fixes authorization errors. You can also restart your device as a whole, like restart your phone, TV, or computer. It clears temporary system glitches. Okay, you can also check your internet connection, like test your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch to a stable connection if needed, because stable internet helps content verification. Okay, you can also clear cache and app data. Okay, so for those who use Android, tap settings, go to apps and look for Prime Video, tap clear cache, and you can also clear data, but it's optional. Okay, so this removes corrupted files causing playback errors. Okay, you can also update the app. Okay, so you can, for example, go to your app store. Okay, updates the application Prime Video, look for it, and then updates it if it's available. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.